Hey there everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to add comments to Telegram channel. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. So in order to do that, you have to obviously tap into the app itself. Let's do that, and it will take you directly to this chat page. So we gotta choose the channel. Let's choose this one right here, and now all you gotta do is tap in this profile icon right here, and again at the right top corner again you can see edit option. Let's tap in there, and here you can see various options like channel type, invite links, and so many options. You have to tap into the third option, that is discussions. Let's tap in that. So okay, you can either choose existing group or create a new one. So I'm going to create a new one. So it has already given me name, hey chat. So let's create one. You can name it anything you like. So let's go back. Done. Let's go back and let's type in something like good day here. And here at the very bottom you can see leave a comment option. So tap in there, and this is how you leave a comment. Good day again, and with the emoji this time. And there you go. This is how you add comment into your Telegram channel. I hope this video was helpful. If so, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I would really appreciate that. And also, if you have any queries, please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.